Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lynn and you are welcome to Cooking with F here. Today I share with you this simple coconut recipe. We are making coconut candy, one of my favorites, and it's going to be your favorite from now onwards. So all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. So if today been your first time on this channel, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To begin with this recipe, I will need my matured coconut and I'll crack it very well, just the way you see it on the screens right now. For this recipe, we need just the flesh of the coconut and not the water. The water is very important as well, so you can drink it or discard it if you don't want to. Alright, so next I'm going to use my knife to remove the flesh of the coconut from the shells, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And whilst that is done, I will transfer it into a different bowl. I'll go in with some water and I'll wash it for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out very clean. Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to grate my coconuts. You can also use your blender to do this, but typically we grate it to get this perfect consistency. Alright, so it's always advisable to grate your coconut anytime you want to make this type of coconut candy. So I'm going to grate all the coconuts and afterwards I'm going to dry it in the sun for approximately 1 hour. I want the water in the coconut to drain out a little bit. This is how you're going to have a very good or hard candy. If you don't want your candy to become a little bit hard, you can omit the drying process. So in this recipe, I made both the dry ones and the soft ones, so you're going to see it at the end of the video. The reason why you should dry your coconuts, and if you don't want it too hard as well, you can just omit it. So moving forward, I'll go ahead and melt some sugar, and I'm going to melt this sugar on low medium heat until the sugar turns into brown or it turns into a perfect nice caramelized color. So now let's do this until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I added about a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla essence to give it more taste and flavor as well, but unfortunately I lost the place where I was adding in the vanilla essence, so you just have to pardon me for it. Alright, so now that the coconut is also in, I'll stir everything together, allow it to fry for about 10 minutes on low medium heat until the coconut also turns into a little bit brown. That's how you know it's ready. And also you're going to test it in water, just a little bit of the coconut in water to see if it will harden up, and that's when you know the coconut candy is ready. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes, and afterwards I will start by molding my coconut candy. And as usual, I'm going to mold it in this circle shapes as we normally see on the streets. So now let's mold it and set it aside. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still, give this video a thumbs up yet. Baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Do well to subscribe as well because it is absolutely free, and also turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first person anytime I post new video. Alright, so now we are done molding the candy, and as you can see, it looks all great and just perfect. I love how it turned out. So fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this coconut candy. And as I said, I make this coconut candy in two different ways. The first method is the soft one, which you don't need to dry the coconut. And as you can see, the first method looks very soft, but not too hard as we normally see on the streets. So now let's see the second method, which I dried for more than 1 hour. I dried it for about 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is the end results. As you can see, it's really hard and just perfect. I'll go for the second one because for the first one, with just one or two bites, you are done with it. And I just don't want that. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye.